Do you want to sell courses without needing any expensive third-party tools? Head to Lightfunnels, find the perfect plan for you, create your account, and you're in. Then, head to Lightskool and get the app now. Once installed, purchase your service easily. It comes with 3 days of free trial and super affordable compared to other platforms that charge you hundreds for limited options and only a few members. Once you're in, write the name of your brand or academy and customize the link that your learners will receive. Continue, and at this step, you're already able to create your course. Set the course title, the price, and add the course URL. Create your course and start shaping the content. And let's add its modules. Fill in the module info, title, description, and thumbnail. Create the first lesson inside your module, give it a title, some content, upload the thumbnail of your lesson and its video from your gallery. You can add as many lessons as you need to complete your course. Once done, move to the next step to start selling. Use one of the pre-built templates. Let's choose the e-course template to match what you're selling. Make it about selling the product only. Set the funnel's currency, name, and adjust the URL. Make sure to link your course product by connecting the product to this template. You can still edit your product information and add an image for it, for example. Or if you're offering files with your course, make sure to attach them here and save. When you're done, let's move to the settings of the funnel we created for your course and link the payment methods you want to support. Save everything, and now you can preview the result of your work. Exactly what your future students will see when purchasing your course. Once purchased, your student will receive an email with their credentials to immediately access their course and start learning on Lightskool. Once they enter the credentials, they will find the course and all the modules and lessons you created earlier. Back in your Lightskool dashboard, you can keep track of how many members are enrolled in your course, what they've purchased, and when. You can always grant them access to new courses you add later. Now, why choose Lightskool? Because it's the most effortless, affordable, and flexible way to launch, manage, and sell your online courses, all without technical headaches or overpriced tools. Whether you're just starting or scaling your academy, Lightskool gives you everything you need in one place to grow your online education business with confidence.